At I'm Coach Sally Jimeno. I'm from San Pedro, Laguna. Uh, I'm a teacher before. I'm a teacher before, government employee po at nung na-meet ko po yung Herbalife, ah, ako po ay mayroong isang sari-sari store dun sa harapan ng bahay namin. So alam niyo naman 'pag may tindahan ka, unang-una maaga kang gigising, late na late kang magsasara. So for 3 years ko pong ginawa 'yan, napagod po ako. Mabuti na lang po may nag-introduce sa akin ng, Herbalife Nutrition. So that time po kasi very unhealthy ako. So, itinuro po sa akin yung program, kasi ang program ko po talaga is gaining weight. So, napakahina ng aking katawan, 'no. Ang ginawa ko lang po talaga sinunod ko yung program. So, nagkaroon po ako ang unang naramdaman ko, nagkaroon po ako ng masiglang pangangatawan, dahil dati unhealthy talaga ang way ng aking pagkain. So, ginawa ko yung program, taking it correctly, seriously, and consistently. At ang talagang ginamit ko yung aloe tea shake as my healthy breakfast. At alam niyo po ba yung favorite ko na mga tablet forms na mga tablet na nakatulong sa akin ay yung vitamins and minerals, NRG at saka yung Herbalife line. So, alam niyo po I gain a total of incredible 22 pounds at siyempre po naging energetic talaga ako. So now po at my age na 61 na ako, ginamit ko rin po siya as my healthy aging. Dati po alam niyo hindi ako nakakapag-exercise, ngayon po is kaya ko na po. And I feel healthier and younger now. So dito sa VNC, dito ko po talaga nai-invite yung mga friends ko and family na malalayo sa akin, na gusto ko rin po talagang maging healthy na katulad ko. At dito very positive ako at happy ako na nandito po ako sa community natin. So, alam niyo na-qualify ko po yung 50% supervisor para una massively ang paggamit ko ng product at tinake ko talaga yung advantage ko po na pagiging supervisor kasi nakaka-attend po ako ng mga local and international trainings na alam ko na continuous na makakatulong sa growth ko dito sa Herbalife. So, nakita ko din dito sa Herbalife yung future ko. Dito ako nagkaroon po ng business at nakatulong talaga ng malaki nung time na nagpapaaral po ako sa aking anak na bunso. Ngayon po is graduate na siya at kaya ngayon kahit at my age na senior, nagkaroon po ako ng business, may nutrition club po ako na happy po ako na ginagawa dahil ang dami ko pong natutulungan doon. Thank you po. Ayan, back na po ako sa aking topic. Ayan, so my topic is about fitness tips for healthy aging. Okay, sabi nga po, as you grow older, an active lifestyle is more important than ever. Yung healthy benefits of regular, moderate exercise can help lower yung risk natin sa heart disease, stroke, yung type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. An active lifestyle po can also improve yung strength and balance. So you can prevent injuries and stay independent, reduce yung symptoms of depression and stress, at improve yung ability to think, learn, and make decision. Di ba po, yung living healthy, active lifestyle habang tumatanda po tayo, nakakatulong para maiwasan or makontra o mapabagal natin yung mga aging effects. Example, yung muscle loss, yung decrease ng bone density, at decrease yung joint mobility. Sabi po ng iba, 'di ba, pag matanda na tayo, hindi na natin kailangan ng masyadong activity. Dapat bawasan na natin. The truth is that older we become, the more focus we must put on staying active so that we can maintain a good quality of life, perform daily tasks, and maintain yung good and overall health natin. Ayan. So, ang regular exercise is such an important gift to give yourself because in countless way po, exercise has been shown to help you feel good, to stay healthy and independent longer, regardless of aging, health status, yung fitness level, or exercise experience. If you are able to move your body, you can safely make regular activity part of your week. So, okay, so here are some tips for getting the most out of exercise. Number 1, evaluate your health status. No? Very important po to consider your physical limitation to find po a safe way to get exercise. So, kailangan you speak with your doctor and ask for a recommended exercise. Di nga sabi sa atin sa disclaimer, before embarking po in any physical activity, please consult with your physician. So, yung number 2 po, yung start small. Kung gagawa ka ng activity, magsimula muna tayo sa mabagal or yung dahan-dahan. Kasi lalo na yung mag-start pa lang. At kung sanay ka na, unti-unti, you can increase your activity po. Number 3, choose activities that are fun for you. Siyempre, di ba, kung masaya ka sa ginagawa mo, mas gaganahan ka everyday na gawin ito. For example, mahilig kang pumunta sa gym or mag-yoga or mahilig kang sumayaw or anything, maglaro ng tennis, ganon. So number 4, recruit a workout buddy. Di ba masaya rin pag meron ka na kasamang exercise? Pwede mo maging partner kayo or group kayo. Kasi nakakatulong ito para ma-motivate ninyo yung bawat isa. Yon. So number 5, focus on short-term goals. Instead on focusing on long-term goals, start ka muna doon sa short-term, di po ba? Focus ka sa ibang benefits like yung increase yung flexibility, improve yung balance, and enhance mood. Pay attention ka to all the small ways you feel better and stronger every day. Yung pong number 6, alternate easy day and hard day workout. Ito yung ipinagpapalit mo yung intense workouts with easier ones. For example po, if you walk one day for 40 minutes, only walk 20 minutes for the next day. It will give your body a chance to recover but still remain active. Yon. So number 7, mix it up. Add ka ng iba pang activity to stay motivated para hindi naman ikaw paulit-ulit. So, instead of your morning walk, try mo naman mag-yoga, no, sa mga susunod. And then, number 8, join gym or class. Try mo din na sumali ka sa mga group activities kasi mas masaya, di ba? Madami ka makikilala at makakapag-motivate din sa'yo. Yung number 9 po, seek expert advice or seek professional advice like sa mga physical therapists, yung mga personal trainer, kung anong bagay na workout para sa'yo. They can also teach you how to perform exercises safely to prevent yung mga falls and injuries. Yun. So number 10, be active all day long. Even when you are not working out, you can still stay active. And every movement counts. For example, take the stairs rather than the elevator. So yung mga gawain sa bahay, tulad ng gardening, vacuuming, it is a great opportunity to keep your body moving on a regular basis. So yun po. Okay, so sabi po, we have 4 modes of fitness that you should consider doing as part of your workout routine. So, ano nga ba yung mga exercise na appropriate sa ating age and level or fitness para makaiwas tayo sa injuries or yung sumakit yung ating mga buto-buto. Following balanced and varied exercise routine that slow progress as your fitness level and strength. Improve is the best approach for people for all ages po. Okay, number 1, yun po tinatawag na low impact. Ito yung exercise na involves movement that plays minimal direct force on the body. Yung pong exercise for people who are just getting started with the fitness plan. Ito yung recommended for people po who have physical limitation due to injury. For example nito ay yung walking, cycling, swimming, and using a rowing or elliptical machine. Number 2 po yung high impact. Ito yung activity that places a direct force on the muscles and joints of the body. It generally involves having a 2 feet off the floor at one time. So yung performing this type of exercise is essential for building the strong muscles and bones. Nagbibigay din ito ng malaking stress sa ating joints. High impact exercise are great for cardiovascular conditioning. Ang example po nito ay yung jumping, hopping, and running. Next po, yung po namang low intensity exercise is refers to working out at a lower level of exertion of an exercise program, or who have chronic health condition like yung mga obesity or yung merong heart condition. Okay to for people who are just beginning. Habang ginagawa mo yung ganitong exercise, feeling mo kaya mo rin makipag-usap sa ibang tao while working out. And stay within 60 to 70% of your maximum heart rate. Hindi ka gaano mapagod. Ganon. Example nito yung yoga, yung walking, yung mga household chores like vacuuming, yung washing the clothes, yan, mopping, yan po. Okay, doon na po tayo sa high intensity naman. Ito po yung exercise refers to posing your body to work hard, using as much energy as you can during the exercise in a small amount of time. Dito kasi po mina-maximize natin lahat ng energy na kaya ng katawan natin sa isang exercise. So ito rin po is nakakatulong ito na mag-burn ng more calories. Ito yung mga training na ginagawa ng mga athletes, pero dahil madaming benefits ito, madami na rin ibang tao na gumagawa nito. High intensity training session tend to be shorter in duration. So make it a practical option for people who wants to get result but have limited time available. No, it is important for people to check with their healthcare provider to ensure that they are healthy enough po to participate in high intensity exercise. So, ang good example po nito, yung high intensity is yung interval training, yung running, pushing up, sit-ups, yung crunches, Tabata training, jumping roping, and yung mga hill walking. So, yun po. So disclaimer lang po, this is for general information only and not intended to be a substitute for the advice of a qualified and registered medical practitioner or recommendation for any treatment plan. Please consult po sa certified fitness trainer or registered medical practitioner before starting any diet or physical activity. So sabi nga po, it's never too late, it's never too early to start healthy aging. So aging is a process that starts early. So performing good habits and passing them along to younger people is a great place to start. So sabi rin po, as we age, we lose muscle. We lose mass, strength, and nerves connecting to our muscles. Incorporating strength training into your fitness routine is very important po to supporting muscle mass. So also focus on protein kasi po 'di ba yung protein is the key to supporting your muscles when combined with a healthy active lifestyle. Of course, sa atin sa Herbalife, we have Herbalife Formula 1 Shake for personal protein powder na good source of protein, and also yung ating pong Herbalife 24 talaga na maganda para din po sa lahat, hindi lang sa athletes na gusto talagang mag-build ng muscle as post-workout rin. We also need po to increase yung ating antioxidant phytonutrients para sa multivitamins, yung ating calcium and vitamins D na maganda rin para sa ating mga bones. Makukuha natin sa mga colorful fruits and vegetables, of course, sa ating triple berry, vitamins and minerals, NRG, and extra carb. Ayan. Sabi nga po, we do not stop exercising because we grow old. We grow old because we stop exercising. I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much. Back